Another successful story we have is the Lhakar, and obviously Toronto Lhakar is watched by everybody. Set the trend, I must admit. Set the trend, I must admit. And it has to start from Toronto to Dharamsala. And recently I found even in Ladakh, obviously Paris, the Thamal Yorba, Ladakh also. Rabangla Shija. Rabangla Shija is such a small Shija, huh? But more than 100 people were dancing with Lhakar. Again, this movement is so beautiful. The Lhakar. From Lhasa to Chengdu to Toronto to New York, everywhere. This is a youth-led movement. It's your movement. This is an assertion of your identity, of your culture. Remember, this is huge punch, heavyweight punch to Beijing effort. You see, you want to assimilate Tibetan into Chinese. You want Tibetans in Tibet to forget your identity and culture. We will dance our way, sing our way, wear beautiful chuba and wonju, and point a finger at you and say, you will not succeed. We, the younger generation, will stand on our feet and make beautiful feet movements. Such a beautiful assertion. This is a youth-led, bottom-up revolution. We all should celebrate and consider this a success. So you are already doing a major contribution towards the Tibetan cause. Toronto is so much in demand, Rava. But I must say, there's tough competition coming. Even from Ladakh, I saw the dancing movements. It's coming. But then all this collectively is a message to Beijing. You can try all you want, but in exile, we, the younger generation, will dance our way to the freedom of Tibetans. Now you might wonder, how can we dance our way to freedom of Tibet and Tibetans? South Africa, if you watch the South African movement, they love to dance and sing. Even the civil rights movement in America, every Sunday, in their best dress, they sing their way when they were marching. So singing and dancing is also part of the movement. So you tell your parents, okay, when they say, no, we work so hard, you say, I am also working so hard. By dancing every Lhakar as part of the movement, I am also contributing. So you all are contributing, and through this contribution, and we all can, lead our way towards freedom and justice in Tibet.
Toronto Nanglol, Tando Gorshey, the Kirachambudua, and the net and the Tashalagi channel, the Namji, and the YouTube channel, the Natadiga. So the council that they three Lhakarians are tempted that Raj in it, those Chintalemba, and Namazu pay I would do. Any video, the Mutini, Luna Nansland, Shuai, the Galanata, Macho Manguchine, Aranzu Vikshonta, Puje, Kunda, Taganashi. 벽에 보고 놓친지 소리야 벽에 잡야다 벽에 쉐다 샤브로 저차 두졸이야 아니직 장야다 두졸이야 야고도아 직디 인데 참바데 아니 다시라기 못티체네 아니 근데 버시 탑디교다 두조 루나로나스 난 슈아니 상가 칸기 다 디낭로게 subscriber 지기 디 참발이야 디리고 슈아이
다 톤토 고르체 디케라 춤 슈슈와 ngaz tinju jizo nanglol ta Gorshey di ma thongma thare ro di ta ngin no me wina ta yongtha ma thare ro di Toronto ni peche tharwa do chresha an die chola kiranzu kating re ta kiranzu gi nyen dan dire chu an duk sije ngaz jizo nanglol tharwa so za Toronto ki Gorshey di ngema ni ta ya gi de wa simpu chi
Nam